Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to invite users to a Bitwarden organization step by step. I'll be walking through this on the Web Vault. First, log in to vault.bitwarden.com and select your organization from the left-hand navigation. You'll land in the admin console. Next, click on Members in the sidebar. You'll see a list of your current members with their status invited, accepted, or confirmed. Now, click the Invite Member button at the top right of the page. An invitation form will open up. In the email address field, type the email where the new user should receive their invite. If you want to invite multiple people at once, you can comma separate their addresses here. Next, select the member role from the dropdown. This determines what permissions the user will have: owner, admin, or user. If you're on a Teams or Enterprise plan and have groups set up, click the Groups tab and select which groups to add this user to. Now, click the Collections tab. Select which collections you want to give this user access to and what permissions they should have for each one. Once everything's set, click Save at the bottom of the form. The user appears in your members list with an invited status. The invited user will get an email from Bitwarden with a link. They need to click that link, log in, or create an account and accept the invitation. Their status will change to accepted. Now you need to confirm them. Go back to the members page, select the user with the accepted status, and click the three-dot menu icon next to their name. Choose Confirm selected from the options. A fingerprint phrase verification dialog appears. You'll see two phrases displayed, one on your screen and one the new user can find in their settings under My Account. Contact the user and verify that both phrases match. If they match, click Submit. The user's status changes to confirmed and they'll get a notification that they can now access the organization. That's the complete process. The user now has full access to the shared collections you assigned. Two quick things to note: invitations expire after 5 days, so if someone doesn't accept in time, you'll need to resend it from the members page. Also, the fingerprint phrase verification is Bitwarden's way of ensuring secure user addition, so don't skip it. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.